What's the meaning of chewing gum? Chewing gum. Chewing gum.
Chewing gum. Chewing gum. Chewing gum is a type of confectionery that is designed to be chewed but not swallowed. It is typically made from a combination of gum base, sweeteners, and flavorings. When chewed, the gum base becomes softer and more pliable, releasing its flavor and creating a pleasant taste sensation. Chewing gum can also enhance oral hygiene by stimulating saliva production and helping to remove food particles from teeth. Additionally, some chewing gums contain active ingredients that may provide health benefits such as reducing bad breath or aiding digestion.